Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this percentage problem. This is a question from IGCSE 2025 Mathematics Examination Paper 1. The question reads, Harry scored 140 points playing a game on Tuesday. This was 12% more points than he scored playing the game on Monday. Work out the number of points that Harry scored playing the game on Monday. So since we don't know the number of points he scored on Monday, let us declare it with a variable x. So let's say that on Monday, Harry scored x points. But on Tuesday, he scored 140 points according to the question. But we know that 140 points are more than x points according to the question. So to get from x to this is a percentage increase, right? So a number in its original form is 100%. So plus that 12%. So we are going to say that to get from Monday to Tuesday, we are going to take 12% plus 100% plus 12%, all the same. 100% of the points he scored on Monday. This will give us the point he scored on Tuesday, right? So if you add this together, you get 112. 112 divided by 100, that is 112% of its multiplication times x. This is equal to 140. But remember, we are looking for x, which stands for the number of points he scored on Monday. So you can simply multiply both sides by the reciprocal of this number. So x will equal to 140 multiplied by 100 divided by 112, right? If you multiply everything here, you're going to get 125 points. So this is what he scored on Monday, and the question carries 3 marks. As simple as that.